What's happened? What's wrong?
Look who dares to stand here with us. A low caste thinking he belongs with us.
Haven't you learned your lesson? People like you do not stand with us.
Correct. Why should he stand with us? There is a reason he can't belong. Some people doesn't belong.
I just want to be treated like anyone else. I deserve respect just like a person.
Respect. You don't make us laugh. You don't belong here. A person like you should know your place. At the back, away from us. You don't even deserve to be on the same ground as us.
Belong. Look, he has every right to be us. Who gave us the power to decide his place? Can't you see? We are all human. You have no right to shame him.
Who are you to tell us? In our village, you should be cleaning our shoes. Do not stand here trying to talk like an equal. Who are you?
God, where I go? What can I do? I just want to be treated like anyone else. I just want to be treated fairly.
Fairly. That's rich. Coming someone from like you. Haven't you learned your lesson? A person like you should not be here. You are here to serve us. That's your fate. By the way, you should be grateful that we are even talking to you.
In fact, you shouldn't be our touching the water. Go away.
Stop! What are you doing? Stop this right there. I know this pain. I know what it feels like to be insulted, humiliated, and mistreated just because of my birth. Growing up, I face these hates every day. People always try to tell me that I am less than them and I don't belong to sit with them or even drink the same water as them. But I refuse to accept that. I decided education would be my way out. I studied hard, traveled to far places, gathered knowledge as much as possible. At every point, people tried to stop me. They tried to make me feel small. But I never gave up. Then, one day, I was given this huge responsibility of making the Constitution of India. I knew this was my chance to bring a real change, to make sure that no one else could ever face the same pain and suffering as I did. I felt the weight of every injustice act, every insult, and I promised myself that through this Constitution, I will bring real change. I will create a path of true equality, a path where everyone deserves respect. That's why we have fundamental rights. We made it clear that all people, no matter their caste, color or background, are equal. Justice cannot be blind to the truth. Justice must see the world as it is and fight for the mistreated.
The state shall not deny to any person equity before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India.
Can we all stand tall? Will change anything or change nothing at all? Dr. Ambedkar proved it. He rose and fought for a world where equality is reward.
Yes, no one should feel fear or shame, for the land belongs who are all here.
Raising a hand and speaking to everyone. We have pushed down, kept away to cast aside. But now is the time to stand with pride.
Together, let's march. Let's lift every voice. For justice and freedom, this is our choice. Equality now for every soul. No one's half, we are all whole. Justice is blind, but now it can see. In this land, we are all born free.
That is not fight to win. It's our claim to keep within. He showed us the path. He led the way. Now it's our turn to stand and stay.
This Constitution is your shield and your right. Stand strong, stand proud in the clear daylight. Together we will build a land of peace where love and justice never cease.
No more hate, no more lies.
No more hate, no more lies.
We all are equal, we all will rise.
We all are equal, we all will rise.
Justice and freedom here to stay.
Justice and freedom here to stay.
A better India starts today.
A better India starts today.
Formation. Pledge. We, the people of India,
The people of India,
having solemnly resolved to constitute India
constitute India
into a
into a
sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and to secure to all its citizens
and to secure to all citizens
justice, social, economic, and political, liberty, of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality, of status, and of opportunity, and promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Shukriya. Jai Hind.